In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho People software. Zoho People is an HR platform where you can handle everyday work actions in one place, like logging your hours, requesting time off, tracking project time, and managing performance goals. I will walk you through 4 key areas you will use often, so you can stay organized and keep your records accurate. First, go to Attendance and then select Check-in. This is where you log your daily work hours. When you check in at the start of your day and check out when you finish, Zoho People builds a clear attendance record for you. Try to check in and check out consistently, because accurate entries help avoid issues later with timesheets, payroll, or reporting. If your organization requires location or notes, make sure you enter them before you submit. Next, open the Leave section and choose Apply Leave. This is how you request time off. You will typically select the type of leave, choose the dates, and add any required details. Take a moment to review the date range before submitting, especially if it includes partial days. Submitting the correct request helps your manager approve it faster and keeps your leave balance accurate in the system. After that, go to Time Tracker and click Timesheets. Use this area to log hours against specific projects. This is important when your work needs to be billed, reported, or tracked by project and task. Enter your time carefully and make sure the hours match what you actually worked. If you work on multiple projects in a day, record time for each one separately, so reporting stays clean and your project totals are correct. Finally, open Performance and then click Goals. This is where you set and track employee targets. Goals help you stay aligned with expectations and make performance reviews more straightforward. When you add goals, keep them clear and measurable, so progress is easy to update over time. Check in on your goals regularly and update them as you complete milestones, so your performance record stays current. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.